Everyone, welcome to the Baguette Investor channel for a new tutorial. Today I want to teach you how to sort your screener list by performance on the highest performance. So you're gonna go right to the screener. I made many videos about screening, so if you want to check more videos about screeners, you can check the playlist on the channel or type in the Baguette Investor screener on YouTube. Today we're trying to see which are the most performing assets over a list of assets. So you're gonna go to any stock market. I'm gonna go to the French stock market just for the sake of the video. And you're gonna type in any kind of filter. I type most capitalized, but it's not really interesting. You set your screener to whatever you want. You can remove the filters so it displays all the stocks. You just have symbol type, and you can choose common stock to have only the stocks available to you. Then you are going to click the little dots and change your list preferences. And you're going to type in performance. And then you have the ability to display the performance over 3 months, 6 months, month, week, yearly, and year to date. So we're going to type in the yearly, click it, and it will display in your screening list. Now that it's displayed in your trading list, you click on the top of the column and it will display the arrow, and it's going to sort the whole list by performance. So this will apply to any list. If you already have filters into your screener, for example, I don't know, we can type in an EMA, and I'm going to say I want everything about an EMA that is every asset being above the EMA 30. You're going to sort your thing and go by performance. That's it, guys. This is just what you need. After that, you're going to need to add criteria to your screener, but this is a very interesting way to sort your screener. In the future videos, we're going to see why I think it's very useful, but it's just, if you need to do it, it's there. It's easy. You can do it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video helped you. Have a nice week and goodbye.